Welcome to our new home, the furnished home. Come on, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amata Rupani, and today I am super excited to give you a tour of our new home. It is furnished finally. If you remember, I gave you a tour when we first moved in with all of our boxes and luggage, and it took almost more than 1 month to set everything and furnish our apartment. And now I want to show you the amazing transformation we have achieved. And we made this place our home, and now it's time for me to show you our beautiful home. So come on. Okay, so as soon as you enter, this is the entryway and this is how it looks. And this bouquet has enhanced the beauty of my entryway that I recently got from Rose Forever. Rose Forever is a New York-based company that is started in 2019. They design luxurious rose boxes with natural roses, and that will last for a year. Yes guys, you heard it right. Beside this, I have other 3 bouquets that I received in last 2 years, and still they are in super fresh condition because these bouquets are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. This time I've got this beautiful sky blue bouquet from their collection, and they have tons of varieties on their website. And right now there is huge spring sale going on. So guys, don't be late to choose the bouquet of your choice because I think this is a perfect gift for your loved ones for any occasion. You can also get discount of $25 if you use my code, which is Amartha25, and all the information is given in the description box below. You can check it out. So this is, I think, a perfect key holder and wallet holder for sending. So as soon as you enter, you will see a big area straight ahead. This is our living room. And we spend our most of the weekends in here. And I got this tiny showcase just for these cute little pieces, and I got this beautiful cotton wood from one of the nearest stores, and I love this. My most favorite part of this house is this area, the dining area. But guys, we made it in the form of floor seating because this is the way we wanted to have it, and so that we can enjoy the sunlight throughout the day at this place. And this is the place where I spend most of the time, and I just love it. In this area, this is my teeny tiny bar for coffee and wine. My most favorite time of the day is mornings because I love coffee. So yeah. Which has been converted into a grocery store. My most favorite part of the house, the kitchen, my kitchen. It is super spacious. We have organized all the stuff, the cookware and everything, into their designated spots. Now let me show you the master bedroom. We're planning to move our bed this side, but we are still not too sure, but we liked this setting so far. And this is bathroom. guys, I'm loving it. Let me show you. Now let me show you the second bedroom. Sanjay's office. Sanjay loves spending his time in this room most of the time, right Sanjay? And he doesn't want to come out. This is bathroom. Okay guys, so that was a quick tour of our house. We didn't do anything for the balcony yet. Since summer is just around the corner and we are planning to put some plants in here, and I'm super excited for that project. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again. Teeny tiny. And I got this tiny. We have organized all the toilet. We have organized all the toiletries. Okay. Ready? And other favorite part,